Hi students, today I am going to be showing you how to complete this assignment. So first thing you want to do is look at the question. So this says the price is $1.50. How much money do you need? Then I would come down to the number line. I'm going to use this number line to help me figure out how much money I need. Since it's $1.50, I'm going to come to the 1. I know that I need 1 more, so I will need $2. So I will come down here and check off $1, $2, and that would be my answer.